y'all, it's Inspire Luxury, and I want to bring you an app called Influence. Now, back in the day, back in 2016, this app used to be called Vox Pop Me. Basically, it's a video survey app where you record video. They ask you questions and they want a video response to whatever question they ask you. So let's go ahead and get into it. And as you see, I'm going to put my invitation code in the description box below and also in the comment section. And basically, this is how it looks. You get paid 50 cents, 25 cents to $1 for each video response that you submit. And as you guys see, I got to go ahead and start submitting my responses because these videos don't last long. They maybe last for 24 to 72 hours before the spots are filled and you can't record anymore. So I gotta go ahead and get my recording on. So yeah, that's how it looks. You can start earning, record your first video. I didn't get paid yet, but this is a new app. The old app is called Vox Pop Me, and I made over $50 with the old app. But since they updated, I had to re-download it, and I didn't make anything so far. And the cash out used to be $20, but now it's $10, which is a perfect bonus because the cash out is a lot less than what it used to be. I haven't did any responses yet, but yeah, this is an app where you can get paid for recording video responses to random questions. Very easy breezy, beautiful. They pay out through PayPal. You have to have a PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal, you may not get paid out. And easy. I don't know any other way to put it. Easy breezy. Let's get this money. Let's get it.